educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new.
Okay, I started by brushing my eyebrows so that I can make sure that they're in shape, and then I started drawing using the twin eyebrow pencil. I started using the black first for drawing. Here I'm drawing using the black, and then I use the brown to fill in. Okay, now I'm about to shape my eyebrows. I'm gonna use a foundation because I don't have a concealer. That's the reason why we say it's a beginner's makeup, because most of the products we don't have them, so we use what we have. So I'm going to use the Fit Me, but in a lighter shade, so that they can pop. So I'm going to draw around my eyebrows to make sure that they're in shape. And then now I am blending the concealer, you can say concealer, so that there can be no harsh lines. Yes, so I'm going to blend it away and make sure that it blends so perfectly with my skin. Even though the shade is so light, but I'll make sure that it works around my skin tone. So don't worry, if the concealer is too light, don't worry, it's gonna work out so perfectly. So I'm just blending it away. going to put on my foundation that goes with my color, my skin color, or my skin tone. It's a Fit Me foundation in matte polish. The 350, is it 350? Yes, it's 350. And now I'm going to use the foundation that I used for my eyebrows. You can say it's a concealer, but I'm going to use it for my under eye so that they can be a bit brighter, because I have a dark skin tone, so the under eye, if it's lighter, it's more beautiful. And then after, I'm going to put the powder. I can call it a finishing powder that goes with my skin tone as well, just to make it more beautiful and more natural. Because this is a beginner's makeup, you're not supposed to put a lot of things. You're supposed to look more natural and more beautiful.